In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. We're going to walk through a quick, reliable way to find the official WooCommerce site, reach the extensions marketplace, and locate the Buy Now button for WooCommerce extension. This is perfect if you want to streamline your product checkout flow and reduce clicks for your customers. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and press Enter. You'll likely see a mix of ads and results, so look for the official WooCommerce domain. It should clearly show the secure padlock in the address bar and the woocommerce.com domain. Choosing the official site helps you avoid outdated downloads and third-party copies. Once you're on the WooCommerce homepage, head to the area where extensions are featured. If you see a top navigation menu, look for Extensions or Marketplace. In some layouts, you may also find a link from your WooCommerce account dashboard that leads you to the same place. If you're already signed in, that's great. Being logged in can make it easier to save or manage purchases later. If not, you can still browse the catalog just fine. Inside the Extensions section, use the search bar to find exactly what you need. Type Buy Now button for WooCommerce. Keep the phrase simple and specific to improve the accuracy of the results. If you see filters for product type, collections, or categories, set those to product or similar and make sure you're on the first page of results. If your results show multiple Buy Now options, look closely at the titles and icons to identify the official listing. Next, click on the Buy Now button for WooCommerce listing to open its details page. This page is where you confirm you've found the right tool. Take a moment to review the description so you understand what the button does and how it behaves during checkout. Check compatibility information. Look for the supported WooCommerce version and make sure it aligns with your store setup. It's also helpful to note the last updated date, as frequent updates usually indicate active maintenance. Scan screenshots or demos to see how the button appears on product pages. If there are reviews or usage notes, those can provide insight into performance and edge cases. Finally, glance at pricing and licensing details so you're aware of what's included. And that's it. You've used Google to find the official WooCommerce site, navigated to the extensions area, searched for the Buy Now button for WooCommerce, and opened the listing to evaluate it. From here, you can proceed in a way that best fits your store's goals, confident you've found the correct extension.